Earning money through the TikTok Creativity Program beta is like discovering a gold mine in your backyard. It's the newest, easiest, and hands down the most profitable online business you can start right now. I'm not kidding. I've put together this comprehensive video guide to walk you through every step, from setting up your monetized TikTok page to creating your first viral video in a hot niche. Now, you might have heard that the TikTok Creativity Program beta is limited to certain countries like the US, UK, and Germany, but fear not. I've cracked the code on how anyone, regardless of location, can join in on the cash flow. After days of fighting with the TikTok security, I finally got the inside scoop for you. So, let's get down to business. Step 1, head over to the website I've linked in the description. There, you can grab as many US TikTok accounts as you need. Why US accounts? Well, not only do they grant you access to the TikTok Creativity Program, but they also give your content a boost with a higher RPM. That's revenue per 1,000 views. Now, you guys might be wondering why there's a bigger difference in RPM. Let me break it down for you. Picture this. You're craving a bag of chocolate. You head to the store in an Asian country and snag a bag. Then, you jet off to the UK or US and grab another bag. Now here's the kicker. The price difference is huge. Same chocolate, but the cost in the UK or US is significantly higher. Now think of advertisers as the chocolate buyers. They're willing to shell out more cash to reach audiences in the US and UK. It's like they're throwing money at you to get their ads in front of those audiences. And guess what? That means more money in your pocket for the same amount of views. In this case, the US and UK are like the golden ticket to higher earnings on TikTok. Now, to sweeten the deal, I've even scored an exclusive discount code from the website owner. Just use code R2 at checkout for a cool 10% off. You're welcome. But wait, there's more. Before you dive in head first, make sure to follow the login instructions sent to your email. We don't want TikTok sniffing around and ruining our money-making party. Spend a day or two warming up your account by engaging with content like a regular user. And here's a pro tip. Upload your first video before tweaking your profile. Trust me, TikTok's algorithm can be as fickle as my taste in late-night snacks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be your personal guide on this journey.